Hello and welcome to Forge Bits. In today's video, we're going to make a gear using geometry nodes. So with a new Blender opened, click on General, and we're not going to delete the cube just like before. Oh wait, I think well, let's just recycle the cube now. So yeah, sorry if I'm making a lot of not deleting the cube joke. But anyway, we're going to use geometry nodes. This video is very short. I just don't want to like miss a forge bit, so we're just going to make a very short one. So first we add a star. So again, we selected the cube. I went to geometry nodes and click. Yeah, let's just redo it from start. So we have a new blend file. Click the cube because I didn't started it well. So we have a new blend file. Click the cube, go to geometry nodes, click the new here. Then we're going to add a star node. Star. There you go. So the points parameter here is going to be the number of tooth you want to have for your gear. So let's say we have 24. So that's your gear. And thanks for watching. Bye. No, just kidding. Next node is to fillet the curve. So we're going to fillet the curve. I'm just gonna move stuff. Actually, we don't need, but I don't want to delete stuff here. So we're going to set the radius just enough to show the tooth of the gear like that. Yeah. Maybe it's too much. Maybe 16 would do? Yeah, 16 would do. There you go. You could increase the inner and outer diameter if you need like a bigger gear. The next, we kind of want to have like a hole in here. So we're going for a circle, curved circle? Yeah, curved circle. But we need to have a way to add the two curves. So we're going to use join geometry like that. So there you have it. Then we can like lower the resolution. Oh, not the resolution, the radius. Something like that. It depends on how big you want your hole to be. Maybe 15 like that. And then we're going to use the fill curve so that all the outer curve and the inner circle would be filled in like that. Then since it's a flat gear and there's no such thing as a flat gear, we're going to extrude it. Extrude like that. Now we can lower the height like that. I think there are options here that you can play with. But if you check the down or the underside, we don't have the face for the underside of the gear. So the trick here is to use another of the join geometry like that. Then connect this one to here like that. But there's an issue here. This one has the let me try and show it to you. We're going to oh you can't actually see it, so, but we are the underside is actually reversed, like facing inwards. So you're gonna have to insert a flip face node here. You won't see it, but there are some applications that like maybe when you are using a material, or just there will be problem or trouble when you don't flip that. You'll encounter it. I can't demonstrate right now, but yeah, it's always best that you make sure all your faces are pointing in the right direction. So yeah, that's how you make the gear. It's not really uh, too much. I mean, it's not too hard to make one using geometry nodes. Let's review it. We first added a star, and then we fillet the curve so that the pointed part is like cut off, pointed part there and here. So we cut it off, so we fillet the star. Then we generated the curved circle for this part here, and then we joined the two. So we joined the two, and then we fill the curve so that we use the combination of this one and fill it up, and then we extruded the gear, but there's no bottom side, so we flip the same side here and flipped it, and then joined them together, and there you have it. You could parameterize your gear, so like you could send your you could send your radius out here, so you could change the inner radius, or perhaps even the outer and inner radius. You could set everything here like that. It's up to you how you might want to. The points. We could also have the points like that. So yeah, you could play around with the. Oh. Yeah. I'll probably make a better gear for the Patreon. I mean, something that they could download and reuse whenever they want it. So yeah, that's how you make a gear, which is not really that hard. Here's the overall look of it. Just pause the video and copy it and then play with it. And that's the video for today. It's very short because I kind of have a lot of things going on, but I don't want to miss a Forge Bits. So thanks for watching. Bye!